Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give a shout out to my friend Cindy Bennett. She sent me a great present today, and I heard on her channel she said it's for getting 1,000 subscribers. So I haven't looked in here yet. All I did was cut the seal so it'd be easier to show all of you. Now, for those of you that don't know, the Good Fortune box, this is a Good Fortune box, but what's in it is not from the Good Fortune box people. The Good Fortune box, you get it every month if you're subscribed to it. And then the thing is, you want to empty out the box and then fill it with things that you either don't need or something for somebody else, and you send it to them as a Good Fortune. So I was Cindy's choice. She sent me and Evelyn a congratulations on 1,000 subscribers little present. So let's see what's in here. Super excited. Thank you, Cindy. Okay, if you have not checked out her channel, you need to go check it out. Cindy Bennett has a lot of videos on how to use your iPad to teach on the VIP Kid platform, and some great tips and tricks on how to use your iPad. So go check that out. It's Cindy Bennett on YouTube. So, she sent me a card. It says, "You brightened our day." Love it. And thanks for all your sunshine. Enjoy. Congratulations on 1,000 subs. Passing on my Good Fortune box. I need to pass on one of mine too, so I need to think about who to send one to. Okay, let's see. Sleep mask on the go. That's great, with some earplugs. What an awesome idea. Oh, that would be nice too. Maybe I'll get to travel soon and can use it on the plane. Oh, I can pretend I'm in Hawaii. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see. Fashion scarf. Oh, it's beautiful. Super neat. Oh, I'm dropping things out of here. Wow, thank you, Cindy. This is great. I love all the colors. If anybody knows me knows I just love color. Right now I've got a lot of blue going on, but yeah, I just love all bright colors and fun colors. Thank you. So I'm smiling and laughing because this morning Cindy showed some salad tongs, and they were big skeleton hands, like to grab the salad. So she sent us skeletons, or sent me a skeleton in my Good Fortune box. Super fun. Oh, that's going to be so much fun for Halloween. Good. Okay, let's see. Ooh, always need tissues. Thank you. What else? Grape scent. Ooh, grape scented lip balm. I love grape. Grape and orange are like my flavors. Love it. Neat. Thank you. I should try this on now. I'll have to try it on later. Let's see. Nice job. Oh, I love the colors in that too. I'm going to have to hang that up in here somewhere. What do you think? Oh, can you see? There you go. Yeah, I love the bright colors in that one too. This is so much fun. Oh, a face mask. Paper facial mask, cucumber and aloe. Wow, Cindy, thank you so much for thinking about me. Oh, and a bunch of Halloween not stickers. They're like stickers, but felt on the back. Felt on one side and like the sticky stuff. And jack-o'-lanterns. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Ricola. That's actually really good for online teachers. It's funny, my friend and I were just talking about the beginning of the school year, like when you haven't taught all summer, and then like the first couple weeks of school you have no voice because, well, you talk louder and a lot more when you first start the school year. And every school year I would lose my voice at least somewhat. So, which is really hard when you talk as much as I do. I'm sure it gives my friends and family a break. Ghost and a bat. Oh, there's so much fun. Wait, where's my other ones? Trying to keep them all together. And, ooh, the last thing is great. Pampered Chef Season's Best Book. Oh, I love these cookbooks. I love Pampered Chef stuff. I do not sell Pampered Chef, but my friend Mary does, and I don't think Cindy does. I think she's bought stuff. Maybe from Mary? I don't know. But my friend Mary sells Pampered Chef, and I probably have a bunch of friends that still sell it. Great. Thank you. I can't wait to try these recipes. This was such an amazing surprise, Cindy. Thank you so much. And like I said at the beginning, well, two things. One is, if you get the Good Fortune box, maybe you can share good fortune with someone. I do have some things that I would love to pass on to some other teachers, so that's going to be a lot of fun. And thank you, Cindy, for giving me the motivation to go and get that done. And also check out Cindy's channel. She said it on here before, so I'm not letting out any personal information that she doesn't want out here, but she has 13 children, and there's a video with her and her son trying different candies, and I just loved seeing them outside, and they had a beautiful background. She shows some videos about her on her walk in the beautiful area that she lives in. And yeah, go check it out. See what she's got on there. Cindy Bennett. All right, everybody, thank you so much for coming on and watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I don't know why you wouldn't like it. It's just a fun, kind video of someone doing something nice for someone else. So hopefully you liked it, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.